The Tao Te Ching, the Book of the Way by Lao Tzu. Part 13. Avoid extremes. Flattery and disgrace are both to be feared, just as overeating and starvation are both harmful to the body. Flattery is fattening to the spirit. Disgrace is emaciating. Overconcern is just as harmful as disregard. Treat yourself well, but don't pamper yourself excessively. If rulers treat the people in the same way, neither too soft nor too hard, they are worthy to be trusted with authority.